As you can see, it's a lovely day today. We are out here in beautiful sunny Florida. I wanted to actually do a video on some other electric bikes that I have, but it didn't seem like the best weather for that. But there is one bike that seems it would be best for reviewing in this weather, and that is the Lectric XP. About a year ago, I was getting into the electric bike market, and I wasn't really sure what kind of bike I wanted to get. There was a lot of bikes to choose from, all shapes and sizes, and this one caught my eye because of the price point, the good customer service, and the fact that it was assembled in America. For me, that was a pretty good selling point. When I got the bike in, took it for a ride, it wasn't really my thing. You know, I thought it would be a little more of something that you could ride off-road, a little bit more aggressively, hopefully. But, you know, it has its limitations. The weird beanstalk front end with no suspension, hard rubber grips, and twist throttle just don't make it something you want to go and take on a trail or do any little jumps or anything like that. So the versatility, perhaps for some people, is not maybe what you want it to be. Now let's talk about the front suspension, or lack thereof. This bike has no front suspension. So if you want to ride this on maybe a cobblestone road or a very bumpy brick road or going over roots, curves, it's going to feel like you're getting punched in the nuts. And if you don't have nuts, it's still going to hurt. That being said, this bike is prominently designed for sitting. Additionally, in combination with the 20-inch wheels and this small, oddly shaped front end, it doesn't give you the maximum amount of control. It's kind of like a wobbliness to the way the bike rides. And to be fair, I don't think that's the 20-inch wheels' fault. The handlebars are just too narrow. Oh, I did not feel confident trying to make a sharp turn like that. It may not be for me, but it doesn't mean that it's not the perfect bike for a lot of other people. People that go for this bike are looking for a commuter bike that they can rely on to do everything that they need. And that includes front and rear fins, front and rear taillights, a rear rack, and the full ability to fold. And it started to make me think, should I take a look at this bike from a completely different perspective? The Lectric XP is the perfect bike for people looking to casually ride around or to commute to work. What this bike lacks in its front end, it makes up in its rear end. You have a 52-tooth chainring, which gives it quite a bit of tension at higher speeds. We also have a 7-speed Shimano MF TZ500-7, and coupled with that is a Shimano Tourney 7-speed derailleur. The mechanical Tektro disc brakes are the perfect fit for this bike, although trying to stop going downhill at 28 miles per hour might have some concerns. Now, controlling that rear motor is an M5 screen, and it's actually a fairly large screen, well designed, kind of looks like a phone almost, with large numbers and a nice backlight. The battery is locked away inside of the frame using a key to not only lock the battery in, but to also operate the motor. So you can't drive this bike without the key. Now Lectric XP ships this bike with a 500 watt motor. That's the only size that you're going to get, and it's Lectric XP's own branded motor. It actually is pretty powerful, pretty snippy. Coming out of the box, it only has a max speed of 20 miles per hour. And with these 20-inch by 4.0 fat tires, you won't feel any concern for going off-road, over grass, over gravel, or anything like that. That was fun. But if you want to ride uphill, you too can do it. But it's going to take a little bit of pedaling effort along with it. Woohoo! Let's give it a try with throttle and with pedal assist. Feels like the motor kicks in even more when you use pedal assist. Now the same bike LO26, the bike I reviewed before this one, actually came with these cheap plastic folding wheels. But the Lectric XP takes it a little bit further and gives you a metal version that you feel a little bit more confident when you're using it, and you don't feel like they're going to break right under your feet. For the money, what you're getting is confidence in the bike. And that's hard to say for a bike for $900, because when you look online, you see a lot of cheap electric bikes in this price range. You're not sure if you trust the bike that you're gonna get. All that being said, I think I do want to see what it would take to make this bike maybe a little more interesting and fun to ride. So quite naturally, we're gonna make some adjustments. I'll catch you on the next video.